Hello and welcome to Dhyeya. Antarctica, a vast continent of stunning beauty and scientific intrigue, is home to a puzzle that demands our full attention. A puzzle with far-reaching implications on our global climate. In this video, we'll look deep into the mysteries surrounding the decline of Antarctica's sea ice. Antarctica, a realm of otherworldly beauty and scientific wonder, conceals a profound enigma with global implications: the relentless decline of its sea ice. Our video today takes us deep into the heart of this frozen continent, where we'll unravel the mysteries surrounding its sea ice while shedding light on Antarctica's remarkable geography and environment. First, let's know a little about the continent. Antarctica is Earth's southernmost continent, situated at the South Pole. It's the fifth largest continent, covering an astounding 14 million square kilometers. The vast landmass boasts diverse landscapes, from towering mountain ranges to immense ice sheets that hold about 70% of the world's freshwater. Its stark beauty and extreme conditions make it a unique natural laboratory. Antarctica is the coldest, driest, and windiest continent on Earth. The lowest temperature ever recorded is a bone-chilling minus 128.6 degrees Fahrenheit or minus 89.2 degrees Celsius, inhibiting any kind of life growth. This forbidding interior, with its ice-covered deserts and sparse vegetation, presents one of the harshest environments imaginable. Antarctica is surrounded by the Southern Ocean, which plays a vital role in regulating global climate. The Antarctic Circumpolar Current, the world's strongest ocean current, flows around the continent, influencing weather patterns and marine ecosystems worldwide. Despite its severe climate, Antarctica supports a surprising array of wildlife. Iconic species such as penguins, seals, and seabirds thrive in the frigid waters and icy landscapes. These creatures have adapted to the extreme cold, making Antarctica a remarkable heaven for biological research. Antarctica serves as a living laboratory for researchers from around the world. Scientific stations like India's Maitri and Bharati contribute to our understanding of climate change, geology, glaciology, and more. These facilities are vital for studying Earth's past and predicting the future. Now let's uncover the web of complex factors contributing to the dramatic changes in its sea ice. Antarctica's sea ice, a layer of frozen seawater surrounding the continent, is a dynamic entity. Historically, it has exhibited seasonal variations, reaching its maxima around September and its minima in February. However, the late 1970s marked the beginning of satellite monitoring, revealing a concerning trend. Over the past 2 seasons, sea ice levels have consistently fallen below historical averages, with the last 7 years witnessing record low summer minimas. But then the question arises, why are we concerned about this sea ice? The answer is because it's not just frozen water. It's an integral part of Earth's climate system. It acts as a reflective shield, sending solar energy back into the atmosphere and thus contributing to global cooling. Furthermore, its formation plays a pivotal role in generating cold and dense water masses that drive the planet's ocean currents, shaping climates worldwide. India is an active participant in Antarctica's scientific endeavors. It formally joined the Antarctic Treaty in 1983, becoming 15th consultative member. India established research stations like Dakshin Gangotri, which has now been decommissioned, and Maitri and Bharati, which are presently functional, all contributing to our understanding of this enigmatic continent. The National Center for Antarctic and Ocean Research, NCAOR, was founded to coordinate India's research initiatives in the polar and southern ocean regions. India's commitment to responsible exploration is underscored by the Indian Antarctic Act of 2022. This legislation regulates operations in Antarctica, addressing potential disputes, protecting the fragile environment, and emphasizing the responsible conduct of Indian tour operators. Also, the next question arises is why predicting Antarctica's ice is so difficult. Antarctica's sea ice trends have been notably unpredictable. While the Arctic has experienced a consistent sea ice loss, Antarctica has baffled scientists with its erratic behavior. From 2007 to 2016, it showed a modest increase in the sea ice extent, followed by a recent decrease, posing challenges for climate models. Understanding Antarctica's ice is a daunting task due to various factors like shifting winds and wave patterns, natural variability, stratospheric ozone fluctuation, and the influence of meltwater from the Antarctic ice sheets. These complexities have confounded climate modelers. One of the comprehensive hurdles in comprehending Antarctic sea ice is the scarcity of direct measurements of the sea ice thickness. In contrast to the Arctic, where submarines and other sources provide extensive data, information about Antarctic sea ice thickness remains limited. Our understanding mainly relies on data from landfast sea ice, leaving significant gaps in our knowledge of sea ice volume, a critical metric for assessing climate change impacts. Recent anomalies have added complexity to the narrative. In 2022, storms in McMurdo Sound dramatically thinned the sea ice, usually about 2 meters thick. Additionally, thicker than usual snow cover insulated the ice, hindering growth. Yet, in 2023, despite an extremely low winter sea ice extent around most of Antarctica, the sea ice in the McMurdo Sound formed more conventionally. These anomalies raise questions about the role of climate change. Are these events indicative of future trends, or do they represent a transient natural variation? Predicting changes in the Antarctic Sea is a multifaceted endeavor. We require enhanced modeling capabilities, expanded measurements of critical factors influencing the sea ice dynamics, and innovative measurement techniques. The decline in Antarctica sea ice is not just a scientific riddle, it's a matter of global significance. It impacts our climate, ocean currents, and the intricate balance of life on Earth. Understanding this puzzle is paramount in addressing climate change and preserving our polar regions. As we conclude this video into the heart of Antarctica, let us remember that the frozen continent holds the key to unraveling some of the most profound questions about our planet's future. Every discovery here brings us closer to safeguarding the delicate equilibrium of our world's climate. Together, as caretakers of our planet, we can ensure that the icy heart of Antarctica continues to flourish and fulfill its indispensable role in our planet's intricate dance of climate. That's all for today. Thank you for joining us. If you found this video insightful, do not forget to like, share and subscribe for more such insightful content. Feel free to share your thoughts and questions in the comments down below. Until then, stay informed, stay curious.